Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make some lemon pepper wings. For the seasoning, Old Bay, complete seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and the main ingredient, lemon pepper. Let's get into it. So I have 6 chicken wings, whole chicken wings. Now I'm going to cut the tip off. I do eat the tips, but for the video purpose I'm going to cut them off. You can choose to keep them on if you like. I make sure all of my chicken is washed and dried, and I put just a little bit of oil before I pour my seasoning. And the recipe will be in the description below. Remember guys, use whatever seasoning you would like to use. Play around with your seasoning, but the main ingredient here is the lemon pepper. Make sure you put that glove on and massage your chicken wings very thoroughly and let them sit for about 15 to 30 minutes or overnight. Basically what I just did was take some cornstarch, like a cup of cornstarch, and put them in a bowl with a lid. So put your chicken in there and shake it to make sure your chicken is coated for a crispy taste. Now I'm going to put this in the air fryer. My air fryer may look a little different from you all because mine comes with 2 racks. Before I place my wings in the air fryer, I like to give it a little spray with oil. So I'm putting my chicken on 385 degrees for 25 minutes. Took my lemon pepper wings out and I flipped them over and put them on 385 again for 20 minutes or 18 minutes depending on your air fryer. For my lemon butter sauce, I took 1 stick of butter and I'm going to melt it halfway. So I melted my butter halfway and I'm going to put lemon pepper in my butter. I'm going to put a little chopped parsley in there and 1 spoonful of garlic, and that's optional. And I'm also going to add a little black pepper and some more lemon pepper seasoning. And also take a half a lemon and squeeze it into the butter mix. And yes guys, these came out very crispy, very crispy, as you can see. So I'm going to place all my wings in a bowl and drizzle my lemon pepper butter sauce over it. So thank you guys for watching my recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you all think. Thank you, and like, subscribe, and share.